Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making chicken fried rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 cups of cooked rice, a day old, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of white onion diced, 1 scallion chopped, 1/4 cup of frozen peas and carrots, 4 teaspoons of canola oil, you want to divide it, 1 large garlic clove minced, 1 teaspoon of ginger grated, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. The first thing we're going to do is season our chicken breast with our salt and pepper. Then we're going to mix it until it's well combined. Once your chicken breast is coated in the salt and pepper, you want to set it to the side. Okay guys, in your wok, you want to go ahead and put it on medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of your canola oil. And we're just going to bring that up to temperature. Now we're going to add our eggs in. Once your eggs are done cooking, remove them from your wok. Now add your 2 remaining tablespoons of canola oil. We're going to bring that back to temperature. And we're going to add in our chicken breast. And you're going to let that cook for 10 minutes. This is over medium-low heat. After 10 minutes, remove your chicken from your wok. Now add your onion, your minced garlic, also your ginger, and we're going to saute that for 2 minutes. This smells amazing already. After 2 minutes, we're going to add in our frozen peas and carrots, and we're going to saute that, for 3 minutes. Okay guys, now we're going to add in our 2 cups of rice, our egg, and also our chicken. And we're going to mix until well combined. Okay guys, now we're going to add in our oyster sauce. Soy sauce. Our sesame oil also, and also our scallions. We're going to mix everything so it's well combined. Okay guys, our chicken fried rice is done. Now I'm going to plate it. Okay guys, so here we have it, our chicken fried rice. And guys, this is so good. I hope you do try this recipe and enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.